Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are having Dipan with us. Hello Dipan, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine. How are you,
Yeah.
Amitaji?
So can you give me your quick introduction so that our viewer will get to know about you?
Okay, hello guys. Good afternoon. So, my name is Dipan. I studied at Sant Lawal Institute of Engineering and Technology, that is in Punjab, and I completed my graduation, my BTech degree from there in computer science background. And I'm currently working in Accenture right now, from past 4 months, and yes, my work is still going on.
So so Dipan, how you got interview opportunity from Accenture?
Actually, I sit in every company's exams, and I got to know that yes, in service-based company, one of the good is Accenture, and when I came to know about the opening form for Accenture, then I just filled the form and I got the opportunity.
Okay. So can you give me some short summary of how some what type of question Accenture asked you during your interview, your interview experience?
Yeah, absolutely. First of all, Accenture may having three rounds, mainly three rounds. First round is about the aptitude round. There, there are some aptitude questions, the normal general questions of aptitudes, and some puzzle-based questions, and some pseudocode are also there. And after clearing your aptitude test, then you are allowed to sit on the coding round. That is consists of two questions, and you have to solve one and a half questions or two questions to qualify for the next round. And the third round is the PI round. There, there you have the person interview, and the most interesting thing is that between PI round and pseudo means coding round, there is one round that is speaking and listening round. That is only for the purpose that how much you listen about the things and how much you uh, speak about the things. So that's for all. And in the PI round, it is very easy for because in the PI round, it is just only they are asking about your managing skills and what have you done in your past, your experience-based questions are there. So nothing technical in the PI round. Your all the technical skills and your technical stuffs are already calculated in the aptitude round and the coding round.
Okay. So, within a few months, some of our viewer will appear for interview of Accenture. So, what are some tips you want to give to our viewers?
Okay. First of all, I want to mention that for the female candidates, that would be a great opportunity for female candidates because Accenture for past 6 months they are only focused on the female candidates because they want to regain the ratio of uh, 50 to 50 ratio for men's and for women. They wanted the ratio in their company as 50 to 50, and they are now I think they are on 55 is to 45. So they are just increasing the female candidates. So I would say for the female candidates that would be a huge opportunity, and for the male one, yes, there is also an opportunity for male ones. So if you take a chance to give the Accenture's exam, then don't miss it. I will suggest you to go for that, and you would first mainly prepare yourself for the aptitude round. The I think in all of the three rounds, the most difficult one is the aptitude round, and after that, the coding questions are very easy. Means the coding questions are based on mainly array based or if it's condition based or one loop, that's all. So mainly based on array loop or condition based, a very simple question. And uh, uh, I don't remember, but it is near about I think 30 minutes. 30 minutes for each question means you will get 1 hour to complete two questions. So it would be very easy. And after the in the PI round, if you are qualified for the PI round, then you can take that 80% selection is done for you.
Okay.
So it is very easy for PI.
Okay, so I think Dipan have shared everything like about Accenture and how you got interview opportunity from Accenture. What are the things that you should take care during your interview? So that's all about this video. Thank you, Dipan, for accepting our invitation. For we have decided that in within this week only we will. A record podcast for all those company like all those service based company as well as product based company. So please subscribe this channel if you want to know more about this kind of opportunity and if you want to know more interview experiences. So that's all about this video. Thank you so much.